Well, hello, retail traders. I want to bring you the SPY today and tell you how we kind of called it and what we're looking for. I'm live on YouTube, so please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell and get my future updates and notifications when I'm live or when I'm putting out a new video. But the SPY, we're ready for a pretty good pullback. I've been talking about it for about a week and said we're going to have a red week, and today is another reason why I think we're going to pull back more due to the Fed meetings and tapering, and they just have a huge disconnect between the private sector and Wall Street. So we called this out. We have two choices here. It's either going to bounce off this 50 SMA on the daily. It's going to bounce off that, or we're going to take it down here to the 20 day 1 hour. And we have this little Darvis box in here. We have a triple bottom support. So we were up here at the high today, right about the 200, and I started calling this thing out. I said we could have a double bottom on the top of that box. Re-meet yesterday's, and then the Fed came out and reaction was negative, and we're pulling back. So I think we're going to definitely pull back to a nice correction. That first support was up here at 440.94. The next one was at 438.90, and then that third one that needs to hold, and we might be able to scalp it back up to that 438 area, is at 436.89. Pretty solid about that. If we go past it, we are definitely going to see the 50 SMA. Now, if you pull up the yearly chart, we get back on here on the yearly. If that 50 SMA doesn't hold, we could be in for a darker scenario. I am positive that we do need a good correction. I've been saying it for the last 2 weeks that we've been irrational exuberance, and you've seen it in the volatility of the stocks. So the sneaky snake has been a good trade to watch. If you like the sneaky snake, this has been a great trade to get in on the dips in the morning. Been calling out every one of them. It's getting better and better day by day. Even got people coming more to the room and wanting to learn how to trade this strategy. It's a simple strategy, and it's one that you'd really like. So subscribe, ring that bell, and follow me live on YouTube until the first of the year. I've been doing weekly sessions for the last 2-3 months, and now we're just kind of putting it together, and we're watching this market in correction mode. So we have them different scenarios. We either have that 50 SMA, or we're going to stay in that channel and hold that support down here at 436.89. That's what I'm looking forward to seeing tomorrow. And if that doesn't hold, we'll just step ladder on down. 434. Let me get this price thing up here. 434.88. Then you got another one right down here, right around the 433.43, and then that strong buy definitely at 430.86. Somewhere in between this channel we'll find another pivot point. But let's see if we can hold this 436.89 for now. If not, we're definitely going to hit that 50, and that 50 is right here on the dot, and I'll give you a kind of a close range price on that. It's going to be right here at 433.37. That was one of my trend lines that I mentioned at 433.43, so we're right on target. Let's see how we do. I wish you a lot of luck. Be patient, be more than cash. Now's not the time to be holding any swings. Let's wait for the trend. We'll play the sneaky snake on the SPY and get one heck of a reversal. Subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.